Thermal energy is the energy that comes from the movement of tiny particles called atoms and molecules. These tiny particles are always moving, even if we can't see them. When the particles move faster, they create more thermal energy, which makes things warmer. When the particles move slower, there's less thermal energy, and things are cooler. Here's how it works. Imagine that you have a ball made up of lots of tiny, invisible balls. When these tiny balls move really fast, the whole ball feels warm because the energy from the fast-moving balls is transferred into the bigger object. When the tiny balls move slower, the ball feels cooler. 5 examples of thermal energy. Hot chocolate. When you heat up milk in a pot on the stove's heat makes the milk particles move faster. This gives the milk more thermal energy, and that's why the milk feels hot. Sun on your skin. When you stand outside in the sunlight gives energy to your skin. The sunlight moves tiny particles in the air and in your skin faster, which warms you up. Ice cream melting. If you leave an ice cream cone in the sun, it starts to melt. This happens because the warm air transfers thermal energy to the ice cream, making the particles in the ice cream move faster and causing it to change from solid to liquid. A campfire. When you sit near a campfire, the fire gives off heat. The flames make the air particles around them move faster, and when these fast-moving particles touch your skin, you feel warm. Microwave heating. In a microwave, there are waves that make the water particles in your food move faster. As the particles speed up, the food heats up, and you can feel it getting warm when you take it out. Key terms. Atoms, tiny particles that make up all matter. Molecules, groups of atoms stuck together. Thermal energy, the energy that comes from the movement of atoms and molecules. Temperature, how hot or cold something is, which tells us how fast the particles are moving. In short, thermal energy is just the energy that makes things hot or cold. And it's all about how fast or slow the tiny particles inside everything are moving.